Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus Nord 2 5G with a two-face display. So let's fix it. So this one is a very weird glitch on the display itself, and here we don't really need to put an effort in removing the display itself. I think the owner has already fixed this themselves, or they had a repair shop do the repairs for them, and the glue is not really that strong. I think this is mostly DIY or poor professional servicing, which is kind of good when you are disassembling the device, but if you're gonna live with it in this condition with weak glue or adhesives, this is not ideal. It's not recommended. So the back cover is already removed, fully removed, and David is now just removing the cover for the daughter board and releasing the connections for the display. And here's the replacement one. We're gonna test it, attach it, and then attempt to turn it on. It reminds me of a OnePlus or a Huawei smartphone. They tend to have these connections on the corner. It's a good news. The replacement display is working as expected. So we're just gonna test if it's not gonna do some weird boot loops, and it didn't. So that's a good thing. I'm gonna shut it down, and the touchscreen is working as well. We're gonna put that to the side and slowly remove the connections on the daughter board, since this is the board that's already exposed. And we're gonna just try to remove the back glass. The display, this is really effortless. You can see there's some old adhesives. I'm just gonna scrape it off. David is really doing a great job in doing performing this prep work. So if you are kind of a lazy guy, if you want to DIY this and then you didn't remove the old adhesive, the display will not snugly fit on this slot on the front of the housing. It's gonna look weird, and there's some gaps that dust and moisture can go into. So you have to make sure that when you fit this, it's gonna be flush on this part of the smartphone. So there's no adhesive yet. David is just checking if there's bends, especially, or dents on the housing. It's gonna show up when you put a very flat replacement display. So there's none of that here. We're gonna put fresh liquid adhesive onto the housing. Just pour it sufficient amount. Avoid the cameras, and install the replacement display. We're gonna route the connector through the flex cable through the slot on the corner of the housing, and reinstall the daughter board and all the connectors. So that's it. It's gonna be a happy OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and if you have any questions or requests for repairs, if you can't visit us, which we suggest that you do, if you can't though, you can send in your broken OnePlus smartphone to David. He's gonna fix it here in the shop. Once he's done with it, he's gonna send it back to you. That's a good deal. We already have clients from around the world who have sent their smartphone here, especially Asus ROG phones, which are very high value smartphones. So if you want these kinds of repairs done on your device, hit us up, message us through Facebook and through our website, sydneycbd.repair. this is gonna be ready for the client, and more to come in a few days. So like and subscribe, follow us for new videos like this one. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.